Have you ever wanted to grow your garden for free year after year, just using the seeds from the plants you already have? Today, I'm diving into the art of seed saving. This is honestly one of the most empowering and sustainable gardening skills you can learn. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to collect, clean, and store your seeds so they stay viable for seasons to come. And hey, if you love picking up real, practical gardening skills that make you more self-sufficient, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Join our growing family right here. So, why does seed saving matter? It's not just about saving money, though, let's be real, that's a great bonus. When you save seeds, you're growing plants that are already adapted to your soil, your climate, your whole backyard vibe. Over time, your garden gets stronger, more productive, and honestly, a little bit magical. Plus, you're preserving plant diversity and taking real control over your food source. But a quick heads up, always save seeds from open-pollinated or heirloom varieties. These are the ones that'll grow true to type. Hybrids? They might surprise you, and not always in a good way. All right, let's get into collecting seeds. Different plants have their own little signals for when seeds are ready. Dry seeds come from plants like beans, peas, lettuce, and many herbs. Let those pods or flower heads dry out completely right on the plant. The seeds should feel hard and dry. When you harvest, do it gently so you don't lose any to the wind. Wet seeds are a bit different. Think tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and squash. Scoop the seeds out of the ripe fruit. For tomatoes, you'll notice that jelly-like coating around the seed. To get rid of it, pop the seeds into a jar of water for 2 or 3 days. Let that gel break down, then rinse and drain them well. Now, cleaning and drying. This is where you make sure your seeds last. Spread your seeds out in a single layer on a paper towel, mesh screen, or plate. Make sure they're not stacked on top of each other. Dry them in a warm, well-ventilated spot, but keep them out of direct sunlight. Some seeds dry in just a few days, others might take a couple of weeks. A good test? If a seed snaps instead of bending, it's ready. Storing is where the magic really pays off. Place your seeds in labeled envelopes or little jars, and always write the variety and the year you collected them. Keep them cool, dark, and dry. A sealed container in the fridge is great for long-term storage, but a dark cabinet at room temp works too. Remember, heat, light, and moisture are the enemies. Keep those away, and your seeds can last for years. What if your seeds don't sprout well next year? It's usually because they weren't fully dry or a bit of moisture sneaked in during storage. No worries. Test a few seeds on a damp paper towel before planting. If more than half sprout, you're good to go. Seed saving is a timeless skill. It connects you to your plants, your food, and the whole cycle of growth. Start simple. Save seeds from just 1 or 2 of your best plants this year. I promise, you'll be amazed at what happens next season. If you enjoyed this workshop and want even more hands-on gardening knowledge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our family here. New lessons, new inspiration, and a garden that grows right along with you.